Bam! The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome to the channel, welcome to the new video, Bittorrent update. Right now looking very nice. I know a lot of you are very excited about what's actually happening, so we're gonna see that, and we're gonna talk about how bullish or bearish how bullish this is, because I think we actually found some kind of bottom. I think this looks very nice, and the next week can be a very nice week. So anyways, let's get into the charts and see what's actually happening. But before we start that, first of all, I want to thank everybody that subbed to the channel, because yesterday we had like 700 new subs on this channel, and I'm trying to pump those numbers because there's this guy, other channel, CoinsKid, you should check him out. He's pumping his numbers like crazy. We at the same time we had 5k subs at the same time, but he pumped those numbers to 40k right now, and I'm only at 11-12k. So let's pump the sub numbers, guys. Let's pump the sub numbers. That said, let's see what's actually happening with Bittorrent and see how this is working out. So you can see here right now, today is up like 15%, I think 70% right now. It got bounced on the 20 moving average, going above the 10 moving average. That's the white line over here, and it's going higher up. It was some kind of a falling wedge, but looks like now it's breaking out of the falling wedge on the upside, and it's looking very nice. So let me explain to you guys really quick what we're seeing over here. There is this for you guys that haven't been here before and haven't watched this video, there is this falling wedge that we've been watching for a while now, and these wedges usually have a bigger probability to break on the upside than they do on the downside, especially during the bull market. They do break on the upside, so we are expecting the upside. I mean, if this was a rising wedge, we will still expect the upside either way. You can just watch my Cardano video. We are expecting upside either way. Doesn't matter what kind of pattern it is, it's gonna go upside. That said, there was this falling wedge, and then we had this very nice line of support at 0.0079, and this was the second line of support at 69, and you can see here this week 4 days ago actually hit that line that was that we have established. So all in all, it's playing it should play out, and now comes this pattern with the candles that are very bullish pattern. So basically what we did 4 days ago, we broke this support at 79, but all the way touched the 69 support and went back up, but we did not cross back above the 79. We closed below the line, and that was bearish. But the next day was the bulls, the people buying, said no, we're going up, this is too low. So they bought all the way up, and they pushed the wick all the way up to the resistance line up here, right? And then it retraced back. Yesterday, during the dump, the Bitcoin dump and everything, we went again all the way down to the bottom wedge down here, and retraced back, but we still closed above it. But today, all buyers said like, no, we're going up today. This is too bullish to stay down, and we go up. So this double change 2 times above the line. So first line could not break it, second time could not break it. This is a very bullish pattern on the candlesticks. This is a candlestick pattern, bullish. Just one of these is very bullish, but 2 times doing this, the same thing, is super bullish. The way I see it, because there is something called Japanese candlestick. These are Japanese candlesticks, but Japanese candlestick patterns, and several of these candlesticks make certain patterns that can either be bullish or bearish, and these things are super bullish. Not only that, this candle over here is a lot longer than this candle, right? We call this engulfing candlestick. This is something called Japanese candlestick, engulfing candlestick, and they can be bullish or bearish. This is a bullish engulfing candlestick because it's red and engulfs entire previous candle, and this is the second time it does exactly the same thing. Bullish engulfing candlestick engulfs entire previous candle. So 2 times we did the same thing, and you know, once that happens, you cannot be that bearish. Not only that, we did it at the line of the support. We tested even the lower part. We are out of the wedge. We are above the moving averages. Let me show you the moving averages. Not this one and this one. This is 10 moving average, this is 20. We are above moving average. So everything looks super bullish for Bittorrent. Now, this candle is not finished yet. This is a daily candle, so we still have to wait to close above 0.083 or something like that. If we're gonna close above it, we don't want to trace all the way back inside of here. But overall, it looks very nice. Now let's look at some indicators indicators down here. You can see here that this is the MACD indicator, and you basically want the blue line to cross the orange line and to keep on going up. That will be bearish cross. This is a sorry, that would be the bullish cross. This is a bearish cross. When the blue line crosses the orange line, starts going down, you get this red histogram. This bearish pattern indicates bearishness in the market, but we want to have this bullish cross when we indicate bullishness and uptrend in the market, and that's gonna, if this continues, this is gonna come in a couple of days, maybe something like that. The daily rubber band index looks very nice at 63. We should not be at these levels up here where we popped at 93. Above 90 it gets too high, but sitting down at 63 it looks very nice. Also on the weekly MACD looks nice. This wasn't what I want to say. The only danger sign I see about Bittorrent is that the RSI did not retrace that much. RSI went, the rubber band index went all the way up to 93 when we popped the bubble, and then went back down to 79. And I actually wanted this to end in the red today, sorry, on Sunday, so this week, because that would have pulled the RSI even lower down. That means that we have more room to grow. That means that pumps are gonna be bigger, better, and stuff like that. But unfortunately, that doesn't look like that's gonna be the case at the end of this thing. It looks like it's gonna be red. We still got 2 trading days to go, so never say never. But it looks nice. Not only that, this looks like to be in the RSI looks like to be in an uptrend. I know some people like to follow this, so this might actually be a thing. I usually never draw on the RSI, but I know some people do for whatever reason, you know. And it looks like it's finding some kind of support on the RSI as well, if that's a thing. I don't know if that's a thing, but if that's a thing, you know, there you go. It's find some kind of support on the RSI as well. That said, super bullish on Bittorrent right now. It got a chance to be very bullish, but we have to close this candle above the top of the wedge, above the 10 and 20 moving average. If we can do that, we're gonna be very nice. Tomorrow might actually come some kind of dump. If we close above here, then tomorrow we might actually go a little bit back down to the 10 moving average or the line and test it as support. If we manage to test it tomorrow as support, then day after might actually be quite nice, because tomorrow is Sunday, so you might actually go for the support test and then pump on Monday. That might be a thing. Because, and that'd be nice if we can close up here, doesn't matter where, doesn't matter, and we go all the way down and test this as support, and we can close down to this line up here tomorrow, somewhere around here. That means the RSI will pop, on the weekly RSI will pop a little bit down. That means on Monday we can pop really hard up. That being said, you know, we got this Patreon group where we do daily videos. We rank 50 coins, and Bittorrent right now is in a group called No Thanks. But if it managed to close today above the 10 moving average, we're gonna move it from no thanks to potential. Almost there, a potential group. You know, there is a potential, there is a group with the potential. We're gonna put it in there. So we got, if you're interested, that you can check the pattern, like 50 altcoins every single day. We do that. That said, where's the button? Subscribe to the channel. We're trying to catch up with the Coinskid. He's got 40k subs, man. He's growing like 2k subs a day. Crazy numbers. Like the video, check the Patreon, and check the free Telegram group, man. A lot of bunch of people, very nice people, talking about all kind of coins. Super interesting. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.